Hey everyone, John here at Workglue. As we navigate these interesting times and get back to work and a lot of different stuff coming at us left and right, I thought I'd send an update. We've recently found out that a number of our customers are using a paper form that employees have to sign each morning to certify that they are not sick and have no symptoms of the COVID-19. In today's world, that's probably a good idea. However, it has to be easy. And as we all know, anything paper form is not easy, especially when managing a mobile field staff. Here at Workglue, our mission is to not only reduce paper, but streamline communication between the office and in the field. Keep in mind that Workglue already has a mobile app that does a lot of this for workers out in the field to manage tasks, checklists, exchange information without depending on text messages that get lost, upload daily job logs, photos, videos, so on and so forth. So this falls in perfect place of what we're talking about here as we release this new feature. Today we're releasing the employee safety certification feature. Now this is something that we've not only been working on to meet our customers' safety reporting requirements, but with the current coronavirus situation, we realized that this solves an immediate problem, so we rushed it and we're releasing it today. It can be used really for any acknowledgements or self-certification that's required for any various jobs and situations. So in just a few short minutes, I'm going to go over this new feature. Let's dive right in. So when you come into your dashboard, you're going to notice this COVID-19 feature right here. This is new on your menu. Go ahead and select that. What this does, go ahead and select this toggle right here, and you'll be able to view the document of what language you're sending the guys in the field. Here, you can edit this document. Now keep in mind, this is no legal binding language by any means. It was written by a lawyer, a friend of ours. However, this has no stance. This is something for you to take into consideration and run by your own legal counsel, as well as anything pertinent to your local region or state that might be different than somewhere else or specific to you. This is where you can come in and edit this document and change or add whatever you need to add. This below are tags that are part of the automation side of this, which we'll get to in a second. So I would not touch that, but anything above that, I would highly recommend looking over and adding or subtracting anything that's pertinent to you. You can always edit the Spanish version as well. So how does this work? You can schedule this to send every single person in your company by selecting all active workers. They would receive that at this specific time that you're scheduling. Or what I would highly recommend is the scheduled workers only, meaning anyone scheduled for that particular day would see this text message for them to sign this document out in the field at this particular time. Or if you need to send it to a specific employee individually, you can do so here. Let's go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you what it looks like on the employee side. So the employee receives the text message. They simply click on the link, and now they get that same information that you provided from that form. Of course, they can get it in Spanish as well. And if they scroll to the bottom, you'll see that the default is their name. That's that tag that you saw on the bottom, as well as today's date. They sign it, agree and submit, and they're done. Now back on the management side, this is what you're seeing when you see who has completed the form and who hasn't. The green buttons show who has completed the form. You can actually see the signed form by clicking on the green button. Go ahead and look at that PDF file, and there you have it. Now, of course, you're only going to need this if something were to happen or anything specific, a part of that day. You can go ahead and get that information. Well, that's it. That would be it for the employee certification feature. Feel free to reach out to us for any questions, support@workglue.com. You can always go to our website Click on schedule a demo or training. Any particular time and date that works for you. We can do a quick online training.
And go from there. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.